Ace, number 12. Away they go. One slow out, bringer of rain. It's now Magic Machine on the outside is Scarab. Racing on the outside is My Sweet Leonora. Moving up by the stunning success. It's now Magic Machine Scarab moving up in between runners Bonjour is stunning success. My Hermes Wilkowski. The favorite is running in 6th position. Moving up by the rallies Lake Cayman Manila. Bringer of Rain is closing in. And rounding the far turn, Magic Machine, Bonjour, My Hermes, down on the inside, racing on the outside, taking the 4th spot is Wilkowski Scarab, is stunning success, Bringer of Rain, and Lake Cayman Manila. As they race the final corner, Magic Machine by about 2 lengths, followed by My Hermes, down on the inside is Bonjour, Wilkowski in between runners and stunning success. Magic Machine, My Hermes, and Wilkowski in between runners. And still Magic Machine finish the game. My Hermes, Wilkowski, Bonjour, My Sweet Leonora, and Scarab.